I'm Cheryl Pocock with Realty One Group. Here's an important tip before move-in day. There are over 15,000 home fires a year that start in the laundry room with the dryer. So it's important that you keep your vents clean, and so before you put your dryer in, make sure to clean your vent out. For $32 you can get this vent cleaning kit at Home Depot, and what it has in there is it has the connection, it has a brush, it has 12 feet of adjustable rods that are 3 feet each, flexible rods, and this connects to your vacuum so you can suck out all the dust, and just put that in there. What you need to do is you attach this to your drill. Before you activate the vacuum and start your cleaning inside, make sure to open up the outdoor vent door and clip it so that it stays open while the dust is coming out. As soon as the drill is attached to the first flexible rod, you turn on the vacuum and you feed it inside and out, holding here so it doesn't pull apart. And make sure to do this 3 or 4 times. You've done the first 3 feet of flexible rod, then you'll attach one by one the other 3 feet, and one at a time. And then make sure though that as you attach them that you tape it so you don't happen to somehow lose it. So then we come outside, we clip our vent open. I have the vacuum running inside, sucking out the dirt. And same thing, same process. You attach the brush, you attach it to the first flexible rod 3 times or 4. And then you're going to attach the next rod and the next and the next and the next, one at a time, going just 3 feet at a time. So you'll be able to, one person will be able to manage this. So remember this move-in tip. This may save you the beautiful home that you just bought. I'm Cheryl Pocock with Realty One Group, and oh, by the way, I am never too busy for your referrals.